If you like to wrap fried rice inside of a thin omelette, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to make the Japanese Omurice! Let's go! Toroku onegai shimasu. It's entirely up to you what you want to put inside of your omurice. I'm making chicken, mushrooms and onions. But there is one thing that you can't omit, and that's eggs. Be sure to not add any water or any milk or anything to these eggs. They need to be only eggs, whipped. Once you have combined 2 or 3 or whatever how many eggs you put in your bowl, it's time to prepare the fillings. Make sure that the oil is nice and hot, and then throw in your proteins. You can make whatever mix that you want, as long as you combine it with some fresh short grain rice and some ketchup. Remember to season liberally, because we're not really seasoning the eggs at all. You can get the omurice with many different kinds of fillings and topping sauces around Japan. What I'm making here is sort of a classic omurice. And for classic omurice you need to actually fry your chicken in butter before you throw in the vegetables. I kinda cheated and used olive oil at the start. Next step is to saute your vegetables. Let's see if we can get a kick-ass flame going. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! 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 Oh shit! Okay, let's try not to burn down the house. Remember to mindlessly stir and combine everything, just so it looks kinda cool on camera. That's a really important step in making omurice. Another important step is to enjoy a beer behind the scenes. Okay, that's enough. If I need to show you how to wash and make your rice in a rice cooker, stop it. Get some help. The next step is then to combine the hot and nice and moist rice with the protein and vegetable mixture. It might seem a little hard to combine at first, but keep at it. You're doing great. Then we add the ketchup, liberally. And try to combine it again. This time it's a little bit more easy because of the liquid. Is ketchup a liquid? Sauce, because of the sauce. And after you're done doing funny pan flips with the fried ketchup rice, it's time to transfer it to another bowl. While we're transferring the filling to the bowl, this is a good chance for you to subscribe to my channel. Come on, man. Come on. And here comes the hard part. Throw in your eggs in a hot pan. Be sure to tilt it around everywhere and do not touch it before it's cooked on the bottom. Because then you're going to have to do like I do and try to shake it loose and then patch it up with a raw egg. Throw in your fillings in your omelette. And then comes the second hard part, trying to wrap this up, and oh there, it tore. God f***ing damn it. Oh well, it's still salvageable, I think. Yeah, I think we're fine. It's going to be hidden beneath the whole omurice anyways. It's important to use the edge of the pans to shape the omelette. Then the third hard part, transferring it to a plate. Oh. Hey! Ooh! Wow, you did it! Throw a little ketchup graffiti on top. You can write absolutely anything you want. You can even draw a dick if you'd like. Then for the sake of the video, let's just cut it through the middle and see what's inside. Yeah, looking good, looking tasty. This is definitely a recipe that's easy to learn and hard to master, and this was my second time doing it. So if I can do it, so can you! You may think, oh but wait, that's not the omurice that you showed in the last shot. Yeah, I know, this is the one I fucked up before making the beautiful one in the last shot. So I'm eating this shitty looking one, while my girlfriend gets the pretty one when she comes home from work. But looks isn't everything, and this was actually insanely delicious. I'm going to have to make this a staple, weekly staple in my home.